Hello, day 2 of our March Madness. Today we're going to release the feet. So we've got a little spiky ball here. You might want to use a tennis ball, although those can split, or you can even just use a rock or any other kind of ball about the size of a tennis ball. And what we're going to do is we're just going to invigorate the feet. So Mariella's just going to start off by just passively stretching her calf, by putting the ball of her foot on the ball and letting her weight sink down into her heel. As her foot releases, she's just going to gently rock from side to side, just getting all of those joints to juice up and get a little bit alive. And then she's going to massage the foot, really invigorating it. And do that for as long as you like. And then you're just going to stand on 2 feet and just see what that feels like. Yes, nice, delicious foot there. And then we would go ahead and do that on the other side as well, getting it under the ball of the foot, inviting the stretch and the opening on the full part of the foot, feeling the weight through the heel and that passive stretch in the calf, gentle rocking. And then when you're ready, just give it a nice big massage. And standing on 2 feet, comparing again, and that should feel quite delicious, nice and even, and you're ready to face the rest of day 2 of March Madness.